The annual Shad Nongkrem festival showcased rich culture of Meghalaya as thousands graced the gathering today. Located some distance away from the Yingsa, the traditional residence of the aim of Hima Khairum, is the field where the ritual of Pomblang is held year after year. The place lit up and was infused with energy as the royal entourage of Hima Khairum, accompanied by dancers, traditional musicians and spectators, filled the open field where prayers were offered. The dancing maidens, accompanied by male dancers dressed in their finery, were seen dancing gaily yet with gentle steps to the tune of the tangmuri and kiksing drums, much to the delight of the onlookers. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong also attended the festival. The Pomblang or the Nongkrem dance is held to appease the all-powerful goddess Kablasin Shar for a rich bumper harvest and prosperity of the people.
I'm so happy to be part of this dance once again under the leadership of our Baim, which is called Baim the King, and very senior king of this Jaipunrayu of this region here in Meghalaya. And you need to understand also that this dance that we have today, it symbolizes the cultural heritage that we have and also the cultural identity.
Meghalaya agriculture